Hey guys, Mr. Cohen back with another online lesson. This one is lesson 7.1, equations. Now, first thing I want to do is, I've thrown the term equation out a whole bunch in class, but let's get a formal definition down of what equation means. An equation is a mathematical sentence showing two expressions are equal. Key word is equal. In equations, you will see the equal sign. And that's what we're going to work with today. Okay, typically you're going to be given an equation like this. 9 plus w equals 17. And our directions say, identify the solution for each equation from the list given. So what our goal is, look at this equation and figure out what does the variable represent. Remember, a variable could represent any number, but in this certain equation, it can only be one possible solution. So let's look. We have three choices, 7, 8, or 9. W is going to equal one of those, and what is our job is to figure out which one. The only way to do it is to substitute in a choice for the W. So let's say W equals 7. Our new equation would read 9 plus 7 equals 17. Now, does 9 plus 7 equal 17? Not the last time I checked. So that is not correct, which means 7 is not correct. So let's substitute W equal 8. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Is that a true statement? It is. That looks good. I'm going to circle that one for now because I think that one's the right answer. But I want to be double, triple, quadruple sure, so let's try 9. If we substitute 9 for W, 9 plus 9 equals 17. That is no good. That is no good. So therefore, our solution is W equals 8. It's sort of like puzzle pieces, where this is our blank puzzle piece. We have to figure out what puzzle piece fits just right in there to make the equation true. Let's look at another one. Same directions. This time we are going to work with a division problem. And it's x. X divided by 7 equals 3. You know, whenever I see a variable, the first thing that comes to my mind is what. We don't know what the variable is. So oftentimes you'll hear me, instead of saying the variable, I will say what. And in this case, what divided by 7 equals 3. Now some of you mathematicians are probably looking right away saying, ooh, I know the answer, but let's figure it out. Let's make sure we have it right. Substitute. So say it's 20. 20 divided by 7 equals 3. Well, I know that 7 can't be divided into 20 evenly, so I know that's not the right answer. Let's try this one. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Is that a factual statement? Last time I checked it is. That's good, and that's good. Let's try 22, just to double check. Does 22 divided by 7 equal 3? Again, 7 can't go into 22 evenly, so we know that that's not the right answer. That is gone. That is gone. The answer is x equals 21. Okay, one more type of problem to show you. This is all about mental math. Remember, mental math we should just be able to do off the top of our head without having to use a pen and paper. Now, if you do need a pencil and paper, that's okay. But mental math, we should be able to get so good with our facts, we should just be able to do it right in our brain. So solve each equation mentally. Let's do it. 54 equals 6b. Now, the question is, what? What does b equal? 54 equals 6 times what? You know, sometimes, there I go again, substituting the variable b for the word what. Because a lot of times when I do that, it helps jog my brain. 6 times what equals 54? That sounds a lot better than 6 times b equals 54. What does b equal? So think to yourself. Math facts. 6 times what equals 54? The answer is 9. So therefore, b must equal 9. Okay, here's another one. 15 minus what equals 12? Mentally, 15 minus 3. So, b must equal 3. 10t equals 90. Or 10 times what equals 90? 10 times what? 10 times 9 equals 90. So therefore, t must equal 9. And you can always go back and double check your work to make sure it's right. 54 equals 6 times 9. Is that a true statement? Yes, it is. What about this? 15 minus 3 equals 12. Is that a true statement? It is. What about this one here? 10 times 9 equals 90. Is that a true statement? Yes, it is. So that is good. Therefore, a little bit more difficult problems. Using our brain, knowing those math facts are going to help you. Solving for variables, this is all complex stuff, but I think so far we're doing a very good job with it. Keep your confidence up. Any questions, write it down. I'll see you in class.